Today we're playing part 2 or part 3, I don't know, bro. I don't know when the last time I made part 2, or maybe I did it, I don't know, bro. No! We're playing, don't press the button. Ooh! Ooh! It's great. No. I don't want no candy right now. I'm sorry, it's jelly beans. Stop! 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 Okay, no, you're messing it up. Stop! I mean, stop! I mean it. Stop it. No! Stop! I'll slap you. Stop it. I'll slap you. I'll slap your candy ass. No! Why did you let me up? Stop! I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Stop! I'm gonna tell on you. Yo, boy, stop. I'll take your candy. Stop. It's not funny. Hold on. I said I don't want no candy. I don't want none of your candy. I don't want none of your candy. Stop. Bet. Challenge accepted. Challenge accepted. Cheek. No! Lonnie, I swear. Stop. I'm gonna tell on you. Stop. Bro, hold on, guys. Stop! Take your candy and go downstairs. Lonnie, shut the door. Come on. Fine, it's gonna stay in here. Carry with 2 hands. Drop one of the Lonnie, drop one of those pasties and get them later. Lonnie, drop your pasties so you can carry with 2 hands. I don't know. I just shut the door. Oh crap! Hot potato! Oh, so you're supposed to peel them? I did not know that. I thought you can just eat them. I did not know that. not know you can actually do it? I thought you not. I thought you can. Fire! Sorry, guys. Alright, let's go back. Oh crap! I just saw her! Oh crap! Oh big super big crap! Big misunderstanding! Big misunderstanding! Big misunderstanding! Big misunderstanding! Big let's go! Oh, shake my butt. This is what you get. Oh, this is easy. I've been winning these games for like forever, bro. You have to just look in the middle. I'm still looking. It's literally the middle. It's literally the middle, bro. Like, what do you mean? You just flipped it and I just saw the middle, bro. Let's see if you got it the correct one. Yeah. See, they put the same one on the same spot. They didn't put it like in the like whatever. I don't know. Bro, people are still doing that, bro. Oh my god. Some people stink. Some people stink as pig, bro. Some people stink as pig. Easy. She's gotta be clicking the die button because I think she died. Is she really trying to teleport or something, guys? Is she really trying to like do a trick that you can just teleport it, bro? Like you can just teleport? Are you absolutely stupid right now? I'm gonna do spooky, scary. No! It's mine. Thank you very much. It's mine. Nope. You messed with the wrong person. Messed with the wrong person. Don't ever miss. No, I need a joke. Yes, let's go. 50, 60. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Who won? No! I was writing it! Oh no! Yep. Where's my speak oil? Where's my speak oil? Come and get me, poop. Oh, ow, that hurt. Let's go. You're stupid. Complete stupid. Alright, let's find the lever, find. Where's the freaking lever? Find. There you go. What do we have? What do we have? Jump. Ooh, this is easy. Jump! No, let me open it. No! Oh. Ooh, money. Guys, who wants some money? Who's some money? Who's some money? Who's some money? Let's go. Finish this obby. I gotta speak for a second. What? Excuse me? What? Oh, don't let me climb. Yo. No, it's not. It's not. It's not letting me climb. This game's gotta be broken. This game's gotta be broken for me, bro. Oh, bro, what am I doing? I stink, bro. I stink. I absolutely stink, but poop. Bro, I'm literally touching it. What do you mean? I'm really touching it. What do you mean? What do you mean? You just let me die, bro. You kidding? You absolute kidding? You are absolute kidding right now? Yay! Come for you guys. I knew it. I'll bet. You wanna touch me? I'll touch you back. Oh, what a juke! There you go. She's trying to scare me. Now get over here. Now come here. You scared? Come here. People are so scared. Wow, what a scaredy cat just to win. Are you really trying to hit me? No! Just died. Oh my god, I just died. Like, are you kidding me, bro? Oh no! We have a very bad girl. Very bad girl. Bad girl. Very bad girl. She really trying to... No, bro, you stink, bro. Like, try to... Hard for me. Yeah, actually, I think I'm winning. I just won. What? Yo! No, I stinky, bull, poo, doo, absolutely stinky. Oh no! No! I wasn't ready. Like any day now, bro. Let's go. Bubblegum! Please spam it, girl. I'm not trying to be rude, but well, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.